It's Tesla.
Tell me about it. Holy moly. I can't believe I hit your trailer.
What's going on, Mutha Truckers? Today's video is brought to you by a Mutha Trucker, Ty Dang and brother. Basically, the other day, Ty Dang's brother got hit by a Tesla semi truck. So he is thinking that this is probably the first Tesla semi truck accident ever in the world. You know, I blurred out the truck driver from PepsiCo because I'm not trying to get anyone fired here. The biggest thing here is, you know, the Tesla is supposed to be a extremely safe vehicle. And my thought process is, if you've ever seen the interior of the cab of a Tesla semi-truck, you sit in the middle like a cockpit, right? And then, so it's totally a different experience. I do want to almost test drive one of those just to see how it'd be driving it. But in this situation, it was kind of like a small fender bender type situation. So I don't want to show the truck driver. We're not trying to get anyone fired here. But Ty Dang, I appreciate you for this video. But this brings up a great debate. You know, the Tesla semi-truck. What are your thoughts about it? Do you agree with it? Do you not? We're not talking about self-driving semi-trucks here. We're just talking about the design of being in the front like a cockpit. You know, there's been a lot of breakdowns with it, but again, anything that's new always has problems, and at one point they will refine this. But do you think this is the semi-truck of the future? Mutha Truckers, comment down below. But yeah, I just want to show you guys, make light of things. But I think this possibly could be the first Tesla semi-truck accident. It happened at a truck stop. We'll get more information about this. But yeah, I guess not all trucks are made equal. And from this, the driver, we've all hit something. And that's why I'm not here to shame the driver. I'm just here to possibly show a piece of history. The first Tesla semi-truck accident. Thank you, Ty Dang. Thank you, Ty Dang's brother. We love you. We appreciate you. And we'll see you guys soon. But yeah, I don't know. Is this the first fender bender with Tesla? You know, probably more to come, but I'm glad no one was hurt. And yeah, just want to show you guys.
Tesla.
Tell me about it. Holy moly. I can't believe I hit your trailer.